Hey guys, so we are back again. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Bye-bye.
So we are back again, and Dr. Adarsh, which procedure are you doing right now?
So right now we are using this Mint Video thread for Korean facelift, and this is not a routine thread lift or cheek lift. Here we are doing it in a separate way, like we are using the support of this zygomatic arch and tying it around there so that that bone will give anchorage to the thread. So in that situation we can get way better lift in comparison to routine conventional technique. So here you can see how much lift I'm getting.
Yes. So guys, अगर मैं आपको बेसिक लेमन टर्म्स में एक्सप्लेन करूं तो ये थ्रेड्स जो हैं ये डिसॉल्वेबल मटेरियल के बने होते हैं, यानी कि ये बॉडी के अंदर खुद ही घुल जाते हैं. यू कैन सी कितना अमेजिंग लिफ्ट आ रहा है, इंस्टेंट लिफ्ट आता है इससे. किसी भी नॉन सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट से फार फार सुपीरियर है ये. तो अगर आपके नोज के अराउंड लाइंस हैं, नेजोलेबियल लाइंस हैं, या विद एज स्किन सैग कर रही है, ओवरऑल यू वांट अ स्कल्प्टेड लुक, like you want to enhance your cheeks, your jawline, or you want to lift your eyebrows, or you want a cat eye. So thread lift is the most amazing procedure. 45 minutes numbing cream लगाते हैं, उसके बाद 15 to 20 minutes का procedure है, done after injecting local anesthesia. Today's patient has specially come all the way from Chandigarh, and we've just completed the lip fillers and the lips look amazing. Just wait for the before after results. थ्रेड लिफ्ट के रिजल्ट लास्ट करते हैं 1 से 1.5 साल तक. ऑल्सो अगेन डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर एज, एंड यू कैन सी द अमेजिंग लिफ्ट. 10 to 15 days downtime, and the results that you see after 15 days are the permanent results. It's a completely safe procedure. Like I told you, the threads get dissolved on its own and they promote collagen. Thread lift can also be used for acne scar patients. So hi Sameep, the do's and don'ts are you can do anything. The only thing you have to avoid for 15 days is excessive massage of that area, because otherwise threads lose हो जाते हैं. You are not supposed to take any facial for the next 10 to 15 days, and you're not supposed to rub that area a lot for the next 10 to 15 days. आपको basically सिर्फ threads को settle होने देना है. Alcohol नहीं consume करना 2 दिन तक. ऑल्सो वर्कआउट नहीं करना है कुछ टाइम तक.
So here one side has been done, and clearly one can see the visible results. So although in this particular patient she was not very much keen for a lot of lift, so I have given a medium lift, and here you can see the clear contour line is coming just right now. Although there is a lot of inflammation and bruising right now, this is not I told you this is not a conventional routine thread lift.
Right.
That is in a straight line. But here I am doing a Korean lift in which you can get way higher lifting in comparison to routine technique.
Right. So yeah, Sameep's asking a question. Are drinks allowed? Sameep, only for 2 days, 1 day before the procedure and 1 day after the procedure, we ask you not to consume any alcohol. After that, you can consume alcohol. So now we are going for the second side, and before Dr. Adarsh starts, let me ask the patient, are you having any pain? No. Okay, so you heard it guys, it's a painless procedure, and I think that's all for now. Dr. Adarsh, say bye. For all those who've just joined in, we've just done lip fillers. We are doing a thread lift for the same patient now, and post this we will be doing Botox for eyebrow lift. That's all for now. Stay tuned. Bye bye.